really stand in front of anyone and introduce myself. But I didn't do it overnight. It's because of constant networking. So confidence building is very, very important. So the more confident you become, and the more you're able to build stronger connections, which will lead to benefits that we have stated. So like I said, the more you interact with people, the more confident you become, and the more you are able to build stronger connections, which will lead to the benefits. Then we can also look at knowledge sharing. Through networking, you can get the opportunity to ask questions, get feedback. For example, maybe 2 people from the manufacturing sector find themselves here. One of them has been able to curb the problem of power outages, but in your company, you are still facing it, and because of that, you are even offloading some of your employees, and it's reducing productivity. Now, you can learn from company ABC, who, though there's still power outages, the person is still thriving, because knowledge is not in only one person's mind. So knowledge sharing is one of the most important things you can get from networking. So through networking, you can get the opportunity to ask questions, get feedback, share experiences, and learn about other people's mistakes so that you do not repeat them. That's what I was trying to emphasize. And to generally see life from a different perspective. Is that okay?
Yeah.
And the last thing before I go to the vacancies that we have is helping others. It is not only about receiving, but also giving. The next thing I'm about to do is I'm giving out vacancies. If you didn't come to this program, you wouldn't have known that these vacancies exist somewhere. You understand? So it's not only about receiving, but it's also about giving. It brings you into contact with people who really need your help in one way or the other. You understand? Yeah. So I'll end my speech. In conclusion, business networking is an amazing and valuable way of giving and receiving business advice that will propel you to the next level in your industry. So I encourage everyone to make the most of this networking opportunity. So make sure you get something before you leave this place tonight. Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right. So, like I was saying, we have some roles that we are yet to fill with some clients of ours. With some of them, I'll mention the names of the companies. Some of them I wouldn't mention. But if you want to know the name of the companies, my staff are here. I have Emmanuel, I have Pamela, I have Gladys, and Jemima. You can speak to any of them. They can give you adequate information. So we are looking for a marketing executive. We are also looking for a business manager. Joyce, which company is looking for the business manager?
It's for a school.
A school?
Yeah.
Which school?
St. Paul's Lutheran.
St. Paul's Lutheran. They are looking for a business manager. And I think it's very lucrative. Okay. We're also looking for a personal assistant. This one I know, it's for Max International. They're looking for a personal assistant. We're also looking for health and safety manager. We got that role today from an oil firm. Pamela, what's the name of the company? EMAS Offshore. They're looking for a health and safety manager. We're also looking for treasury sales officer for a company called Ghana FX. It's one of the largest online forex trade companies. Then there's one company even in this building looking for an optometrist. That's Eye Emporium. Eye Emporium is found at the Accra Mall, the Marina Mall, the Usu Mall, the West Hills Mall. They're looking for an optometrist. In case you have a cousin who did optometry and thinks that he can never find a job in Ghana, come to us. Then we're also looking for sales executives. Now, most of our clients are looking for that. Administrator, medical sales representatives, food and beverage manager. Which company is looking for food and beverage manager?
It's a hotel.
Which hotel?
Oak Plaza.
Oak Plaza Hotel. Oak Plaza. They're looking for food and beverage manager. Structural engineer. SolidWorks. That is from Atlantis Holdings. Junior structural draftsman. That is from Technip. That oil firm. I don't know if you've heard of Technip before. Then we also have front desk personnel. Account officers from Engine Oil as well. Head of sales for Inesply. Is that right?
Yep.
Yeah. And then we also have sales manager, And then we also have country manager, oil and gas, for Fraga Oil. So these are some of the, I think it's about 17 or 18 roles that we are yet to complete. And every week we get new roles. So you can liaise with my team. They will give you the directions to our office, or they give you contact numbers, emails, website, whatever you need to know, so that if you have anybody who needs any of these jobs, you can get in touch. So it's nice meeting you, and I hope that you get the best out of today's event.